If you are a new content creator and this video is for you, so guys, check my profile. So this is my profile. In order to grow here in Facebook, you need to care to anybody or to anyone who are always supporting you. So for me, I care these people because these people are very supportive. So when they are live and I am free, so definitely I'm sharing their videos. So as you can see, all live, whatever live they have that appeared on my timeline, then that time I am free, I'm sharing anyone. Yes, because I do believe that these people, I care, I share their video, so they will return back to me and they will support back to me as well. Then, if you are a new content creator, guys, this is for you.